Hello, welcome to another printing video here at Tshirtprints. So the first and the most crucial step is making sure that you lay out your fabric smoothly and nicely on the platen. Here I'm just mixing the custom Pantone as per client's request. So today we are working on a one color front, one color back design. And here we are trying to push the ink through the screen using our 13-inch squeegee. And this is just the first coat of our print. After this part, I'll show you what the print looks like after just one coat on our cotton shirt. So if you would study the print closely, you could still see the patterns of the fabric under the print. Now we are going to do the second coat of our print, and afterwards, I'll show you what the print looks like after 2 coats of ink. That way we can compare the difference between using 2 coats of ink on a fabric and using 1 coat of ink. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats of ink. As you can see, the print is significantly thicker compared to the first coat, which will ensure that the print on the shirt will stay intact or will not fade out. So that's it for our printing project. Please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more printing videos only here at Tshirtprints.